Have you spent days following the developer's guide, trying to find a missing piece in your Gen4 application that prevents it up and running? But think about it. Do you need to build a car to learn how to drive? No. You just need a car that works. An existing Gen4 application is your car. It's already built, tested, and ready to go. As an end user, you focus on what matters, defining your detector, generating particles, and analyzing results. You learn the physics and the logic first, not some random C++ syntax errors. By using a pre-built application like Gears or Mingle, you can define detector geometry or generating particles using simple text files. It's faster, more intuitive, and lets you run your simulation on day one. Eventually, you will become such a good driver that you will want more performance. This is the time to look under the hood. Now, instead of being overwhelmed by the whole machine, you are just learning how to swap or tweak specific parts, the Gen4 components. You are maintaining and customizing a car you already understand, rather than trying to start everything from scratch.